Hi everyone, I welcome you to Cultivate Uganda once again. This is a channel where you get information and knowledge about agriculture in different regions and places. Today I have come with an aim of mulching as a practice done in tomato plantations and farming. In Uganda, this practice is very helpful and useful to a farmer since tomatoes are begun to be grown in a dry season. This practice of mulching will enable a farmer to prevent water loss from his soil because as sun rays strike the ground, these dry plant materials will not enable the evaporation of moisture from the soil, so our moisture will be maintained and help us to develop our tomatoes very well in a dry season. These dry plant materials also enable us to maintain our soil temperatures. It keeps the soil cooler on hotter days and also keep our soil warmer on colder nights. Mulching covers the soil and helps us to keep its structure by reducing soil compaction. It also helps us to protect our nutrients in our tomato garden by reducing erosion from the rain and wind. When the rainy season starts, mulching enables us to limit weed development in our garden by preventing sunny rays from the sun from reaching the soil where the weed seeds are for them to germinate and develop in our tomato garden, so that will be reduced. Mulching also enables a farmer to improve on tomato yields by controlling diseases like bollworm and rot and controlling pests in our tomato garden. When our tomatoes are developing, they become heavier and heavier, so they settle on those dry plant materials and they are prevented from rotting in our garden. Don't forget to take note when mulching. You should use dry plant materials which don't contain seeds, because when you get those ones which contain seeds, you might bring other seeds which are weed to our tomatoes and they begin to develop in our garden and it becomes bushy. After mulching your garden, there is one more thing a farmer should not forget to carry out in a dry season for better yields, and this is to keep on watering his garden in the late evening. Watering our tomatoes in the late evening helps us to keep on providing enough water for the tomatoes for proper development. When you water your tomatoes, you will prevent them from withering and drying in the dry season due to much temperatures. There is still another content on this channel about tomato plantations in Uganda. You can search for it and view it. This channel is called Cultivate Uganda. We are still bringing more content about different plantations and agriculture. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment. Also share our videos to different people in different regions. Cultivate Uganda. We love you so much.